In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Huion Pen Tablet HS610. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The HS610 can be used with any device, so you can connect it to a PC, a laptop, a smartphone such as Android or iOS, and it is going to work flawlessly. All that you have to do is grab the necessary cables and plug it in through that way. So there's going to be a cable included that looks roughly like this. You will plug one end of the cable into the HS610. So it is going to be the USB-C end, or this one that has a 90-degree bend. And then the other end of the cable goes into the device where you want to use it. You will notice that the end of this cable is going to be USB-A. So usually, Huion is going to include an adapter that converts USB-A into USB-C, so you can plug it into your smartphone or any modern devices that have a USB-C port. And of course, if you are plugging it into an iPhone that has a Lightning port, you might need to use a USB-A to Lightning adapter. Figure out which one you need and plug it in accordingly. If you are plugging it into a smartphone, then usually it is going to work natively, so you don't need to download drivers or software. Open any app that is compatible with the tablet and start using it. If you are connecting it to a PC or a laptop, then it is even simpler. You plug it in to any standard USB-A port, and once it is plugged in, it is recommended to download the software. You don't necessarily need to download the software if you notice that it is working, and you can adjust basic things, but if you want to have full control over the sensitivity, the touch options, the keys available, and so on, go to the official website at huion.com, hover over Support, Download Center, and look for the HS610. On the list of devices, you will find it here, and then you can download the drivers for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Inside of this software, you will be able to set up what every single button is going to do. You can change the quick actions, you can disable specific things like press keys, touch, change the sensitivity, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.